welcome back to another episode of Jamie and Jason's Real Estate Vlog. And we are here with Garrett. He is from Chelsea Title, and we're going to be talking a little bit about title today.
Yep.
Basically, when you're selling a house, you have to get title insurance.
Yes. Not a law, but almost 99.9% of lenders require it.
Okay.
So pretty much you're going to have title insurance. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about kind of a hot topic in the title insurance world, as exciting as that is, and that is reissue credit. And so what that is it's an actual discount on the state promulgated rates. So in the state of Florida with title insurance, since not so many people know what title insurance is, there's a fixed rate on which the title insurance policy is kind of calculated at. In the state of Florida, for example, the promulgated rates are set at $5.75. And so that is the actual rate that the title insurance policy is calculated at. And that is for the first $100,000 on a house. And so that's per thousand, and as the house price goes up, that rate goes down. So that's kind of just, not to get too far into it, that's kind of where it starts at the promulgated rates. Gotcha. Now, the reissue rate, which is quote unquote been called the discount rate, is a lower rate, and that's actually $3.30 instead of that $5.75.
So Garrett, how could the seller get that discounted rate?
So that's the fun part. So there's actually three separate scenarios in which that someone can qualify for that reissue rate. And the first one is actually pretty simple. It's raw land. So if you own raw land, you actually, throughout the whole course of it, there's no time limit on this one. And raw land, as long as it's unimproved, and that unimproved is kind of like a asterisk. There can be improvements on the land as like bridges and roads and utilities, and some of those can be exempt from that. So even if those are quote unquote improvements, those can still qualify for reissue credit.
Gotcha.
And in that example, all they have to have is their prior owner's policy. From there, the second scenario is actually refinancing. And refinancing is very similar to raw land in the sense that there's no time limit. And the main characteristics is this one you're gonna see is very common. It's gonna pop up in every single scenario. They have to have the prior owner policy. So on a resale house, it has to be within that 3-year time frame, and they have to have their owner's policy as well. There's a common theme, and then they qualify for that reissue rate, and so that's at $3.30 per thousand for the first 100,000. Then from there, that rate actually goes down, so they save you more money.
Okay.
So you can see, depending on the sale price of the house, they can end up saving $1,000 at closing table, and that's what we want. That's what you guys want for your clients.
Absolutely, yes.
That's not bad. I mean, who wouldn't want to save $1,000?
Yeah.
I would.
Or several thousand.
Or several thousand.
Exactly. And definitely hold on to your owner's policy.
Yes, that's
you never know what could happen in 3 years.
It's a big one.
So yes, if this was helpful, definitely give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions about the content in this video, leave a comment and we'll do a video on any questions that you have. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for another great episode. Bye.